I'm making my famous calming and nourishing and restorative smoothie, my Bounty Bar shake, in the KitchenAid K400. It's going to blend everything so smooth and creamy, and it's going to be so purely delicious as well. What I love about this shake, it's going to be calming, restorative, high in magnesium, high in amino acids, high in electrolytes, high in protein, and really, really good for you. And I want to show you how easy it is. So I've got half a cup of raw cashew nuts here that I'm putting into my gorgeous K400 KitchenAid blender. Along with that, I'm just putting one whole banana. I've got around 3 cups of coconut water. We've also got a nice big generous handful of ice. So I'm going to fill this up with ice. This blender is amazing because it actually helps blitz these ice blocks into a smooth puree of deliciousness. I'm also using a couple of tablespoons of Healthy Chef protein. And now all I'm going to do is blend. Blended, smooth, creamy, delicious in only 20 seconds, which is really, really good, especially with tough ingredients like cashew nuts. So what I want to do now, this is the beautiful naked chocolate tahini that I've got in my book Healthy Baking, and I'm putting a little dollop into each glass. And then I'm pouring in the gorgeous little smoothie. It's like a little frappe. It's very, very cool, and it's so yummy. Last but not least, a nice little sprinkle of chocolate over the top. And there you have it, my beautiful, delicious, calming and restorative Bounty Bar shake made in the KitchenAid K400. Enjoy.